Let's try this again with the microphone on. Hey guys, this is James from the Northern Nevada homestead again. It's the next morning. I'm going to try to show you raising the panels on this side. It looks like the sun's being blocked by the panels I already have up, so I'm going to show you the process of what I'm doing and take you along and with one of the panels, and then I'm going to get to it because the wind's well 1-2 this morning, pretty much non-existent. So anyways, let me show you some of the stuff we got going here. So these are the panels. What I did is I made this, let's see, this little bracket. It's just a U-bolt and a piece of scrap from the building, and just clamp it here, and I put a couple extra screws in it for good measure. I'd hate for this to fall on my head. So that's ready to go. I'll take you up with me when I put the insulation up and show you the hoist at the top. Alright guys, so you can see right here, this is my whole hoist that I did. It's just pretty much 2x4s bolted together. There's some metal cutoffs here that hook around. They hook around this eave strut here, and then a couple clamps hold it on. That's about $100 Harbor Freight hoist. A couple pulleys, and I extended out the control cord another 36 feet so I could stand at the end of the panel. So that's it, the whole thing. So I will just unclamp it, slide it down for each panel, which I'm about to do, and then I'll tape off for the insulation and show you how we raise it. I just unclamped this and slid it down. I don't know if that footage was captured. I think the camera turned itself off. So now we're going to put the tape on. Normally I do this going up, but I have to leave this thing running when I'm going up, so I'll do it going down so you can see. The wind yesterday kicked up and ripped this piece off, insulation off, so it's not as tight as I'd like it to be. So I'm gonna have to tape it back up. Do the best I can. And because I'm doing this solo, I'll do 2 runs of tape, just to give myself the best chance. Now we go down and we'll tape each of these tabs to straighten it out best we can, so it looks as good as it can. Alright, we're going to go up, put the insulation on, and we'll be ready to raise the panel. Now, these rolls are 3 feet long. If you're doing this with a crew, you would go with 6 feet. It's much easier, or more. But since I'm doing it by myself, just too heavy for one person. So get this mask on because it's dusty, dusty, dusty. Okay. Those clamps are just to kind of hold it. I'm going to go down, adjust it, make sure it's good next to that little piece of tape. We'll put it where it needs to go. And tape out the other one. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll just overlay music. You can see the wind's pushing this out. That's a problem I run into out here. Alright guys, we're going to raise the pedal now. Let me go start the generator. Now I'll line the high up of the panel on some marks I've already put on the bottom. Before I know where the bottom is, I'll take the level at the top, make sure it's plumb. With a little bit of back and forth, but it works. Well, hopefully that didn't darken up too much and you'll be able to see it. Yeah, that's all there is to it. I'll screw off that panel, and if the wind doesn't pick up, I'll put that last panel on, and got some trim at the top, and it's good. But yeah, you know, I went over a while on trying to figure out how to make that hoist, and in the beginning I had this elaborate thing made out of metal with wheels and pulleys and everything else, and I started thinking about it. It would have been cheaper to hire someone with what I was planning on doing, and then we got all this extra lumber from all the shipping crates and stuff that have been brought, so I said, wood'll work, you know, it's been used for centuries. And so that thing, all said and done, probably cost me 150 bucks. With parts and the hoist and everything, and I can do it by myself. So there you have it. Now I'm going to get back at it because the wind seems to pick up, and or be picking up, and I'd like to finish this today. So thanks for watching. I'll try to edit out the long boring parts or speed them up. So take care.